Yeah.
Hi everyone, today I come to you with something different. Today we're going to be talking about saving money because yes, it is a problem. Well, not a problem for me, but just something I've been doing recently because of a number of things. We all love money, so why not teach you the correct way to save it? Or my way of saving it. It's a new year, so why not save some money? Without further ado, let's get right into the video.
She fill my mind up with ideas. I'm now in the
So firstly, I'm going to start with what I'm saving for. I am currently saving for a new car because it's kind of a want and a need, but mostly a need. Since I don't have a bank account, I will be saving my money using the money jar. I figure it's the best way for me to save money because I don't like having a bank or a bank account tied to my name for numerous reasons. Like, a bank account is cool and all, but I would rather save it in my own home, in my room, in my hands. If y'all didn't know, once you put your money into a bank, they lend it out until you get it again. So I'm not about to have that. I also wanted to, hold on. Uh-oh, shouldn't do that. I also brought this video to my channel because I wanted you guys to be here to save with me, because a family that saves together does great things together. Let's get started. This is my jar. I need a name for her. If you want to name her, comment something below, because right now I'm calling it the money jar or the pickle jar. I want a cute name for her. But yeah, I will be saving my money in a money jar. I also have this Regents piggy bank I won in 8th grade to save all my change in, as you can probably hear. But this thing is almost full. It's like up to here, filled with change. I counted it before and it was like $8. Now it's probably like 10 or 12. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna count all of the money out, and then we're gonna put it into the jar. These are my bills, bankroll thing. But no, these are my bills that I have saved. This right here is 100. There's a bunch of 20s in the middle. I have $662 right here, just in the hand. So we're gonna go. Ooh, we're gonna go ahead and put this in the jar. I'm just gonna stuff it in here. Oh, this still smells like pickles. I think it's $1 in here. Yeah, it's $1. Okay, so I have $662 saved in bills. The rest is in change, in which I don't feel like counting, but I have to count for the sake of this video. So in my Regents piggy bank, I had $11.35. All of this put together is $678.35. The goal I want to reach for this jar in savings is $1,800. So go ahead and follow my Instagram. Follow both of my Instagrams actually, so I can keep you updated on the jar, because I will only probably update this jar on here once I hit a milestone. Like, I'll update it when I hit 1,000, 1,200, 1,400, and 1,800. So the goal for this jar is $1,800. I want a nice decent car this time, so I'm gonna save every penny I have to. Really hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more money saving videos in the future when I do update the jar, let me know in the comments down below, and also by giving me a like. We're gonna go on this journey together, and I'm so happy to bring you guys along with me, because this is something I've been wanting and needing for a while, and I'm finally gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. What are some ways that you save money? If you do save money, if you don't, and I don't really, you must got it like that. But I also wanted to say, in no way, shape, or form was I trying to brag in this video, because I don't like people that brag unless they just really have the right to brag. All of this money I worked hard for, I saved it, so no bragging over here. But yeah, until next time, please leave me a like. Share this video with your cousin, your auntie, your dog, your cat, whoever you gotta share it with, so they can save some money too. That's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next one.